Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Guinness and honeycomb ice cream. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we take some fresh cream, put it into a bowl, and then we're going to whisk that until it forms stiff peaks. Now once our cream's the right consistency, we're then going to add our Guinness and some condensed milk. Now we'll whisk that all up again just for about a further minute until everything is combined. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Now we'll transfer that mixture into a dish that can go into the freezer. As you can see, I was doing this in natural sunlight and the sun just decided to come out. We'll pop the lid on this. We'll pop it into the freezer for about an hour, just until it starts to set. So after about an hour, you can see our mixture start to firm up, and now we're going to add some Crunchie bar, which is just honeycomb covered in chocolate, and we're going to mix it all through. The reason we don't do this at the start is because the chocolate would be too heavy. It would all sink to the bottom and it wouldn't be combined. Now we'll pop this back in the freezer, leave it for a minimum of 8 hours, preferably overnight, and then we'll serve it. I would like to serve mine with some ginger and Guinness bread. And folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.